Alright folks, here's what we got. Got one of them Easy Rider go-karts out here. Got this junk one piece bearing in the middle here. Getting done away with. I'll cut that off of there. And we'll split this up. Boom, put half of it over there. Half of it over here. Then we'll have us a real swing arm. Cut some metal here. Maybe some tabs. Go on here. Boom. Weld right onto there. What we'll have is, boom, swing arm. Once I get this piece cut, slid in here. Boom, like so. Boom. Fixed. Forever more. No more obsolescence there, folks.